Welcome to French ab Initio. What is the French ab Initio course? Ab Initio means from the beginning in Latin. This course is intended for students who are starting French. No prior experience is necessary. You will learn to speak, read, write, and understand French, to talk about yourself, your daily life, and your environment, to discover Francophone cultures, France, Canada, Congo, etc. What will I learn to talk about? The course is structured around 5 main themes. 1. Identity. Who am I? Example, my name is Marie. Talk about your name, age, nationality, food, clothing, feelings. 2. Experiences. What do I do? Example, I go to school at 8 o'clock. Talk about your routine, vacations, holidays, life events. 3. Human ingenuity. What do we create? Example, I listen to music on my phone. Talk about music, movies, art, the internet, social media. 4. Social organization. How do we live together? Example, my school is big. Talk about school, work, family, jobs, rules. 5. Sharing the planet. What are global issues? Example, we must protect nature. Talk about nature, pollution, animals, peace, helping others. What will I do in class? Speak French every day. Don't worry, you will learn gradually. 1. Read short texts, signs, advertisements, and stories. 2. Write emails, postcards, and short messages. 3. Listen to videos, songs, and conversations. 4. Discover life in France and in other French-speaking countries. How will I be graded? 1. Paper 1, writing, 25%. You will write 2 short texts, such as an email or a blog post. Example, write a message to your friend. Talk about your birthday party. 2. Paper 2, listening and reading comprehension, 50%. You will listen to audio recordings and read short texts, then answer questions. Example, listen to a boy talking about his school day and choose the correct answer. 3. Oral exam, speaking, 25%. You will describe a photo and talk about it with your teacher. Example, you see a picture of a market in France. You talk about the food, the people, the colors, etc. Some useful expressions you will learn soon. 1. Hello. 2. Goodbye. 3. My name is. 4. I am 16 years old. 5. I like music. 6. I go to school by bus. 7. The weather is nice/it is sunny. Tips to succeed. Don't worry about making mistakes. They help you improve. Practice a little every day. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Watch videos in French. Listen to songs, even with subtitles. Speak in class. Try, even if it's not perfect. Ask questions. We're here to learn together. Why is French useful? It is spoken in over 29 countries. It helps with travel, studies, and work. You will discover culture, food, music, fashion, and art. And most of all, it's fun. Interactive quiz. Part 1. Multiple choice. Choose the correct answer. 1. What does ab initio mean? A. Intermediate level. B. From the beginning. C. French culture. D. Speaking fast. 2. Which of the following is not a main theme in French ab initio? A. Identities. B. Mathematics. C. Social organization. D. Experiences. 3. What is an example sentence from the theme experiences? A. My name is Marie. B. We must protect nature. C. I go to school at 8 o'clock. D. My school is big. 4. What percentage of your grade is based on the oral exam? A. 10%. B. 25%. C. 50%. D. 75%. 5. Where is French spoken? A. Only in France. B. In 10 countries. C. In over 29 countries. D. In 3 continents only. Part 2. True or false? Answer. True or false? 6. French of Initio is for students who already speak French. 7. One of the things you will learn is how to write emails in French. 8. In the oral exam, you talk about a photo with your teacher. 9. French is useful only for vacations, not for jobs. 10. Watching French videos can help you learn faster. Part 3. Fill in the blanks. 11. My name is means what in French? 12. Write the French word for goodbye. 13. The weather is nice means. 14. Give one theme from the course and one thing you learn in it. Theme. You learn to talk about. 15. Give one tip to succeed in French ab initio. Bonus question, just for fun. 16. Imagine you're in a cafe in Paris. What would you say to say hello to the waiter?
Bravo! You've just taken your first step into the world of French ab initio. In this course, you'll learn not just a language, but also how to explore new cultures, express yourself, and grow with confidence. Don't forget, everyone starts somewhere. Mistakes are part of the journey, and with practice, you'll go far. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, activities, and beginner-friendly lessons in French. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt.